Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. So today's video I have for you guys my Christmas home tour. I have finally finished everything up, so I want to take you through and show you what I've done. Really quick before I do, I want to say a special hello to Margaret. Hello. Lloyd tells me that you love watching all of my videos and you look forward to them, so I just wanted to give you a big special hello, and I can't wait to see your village that I know should be done pretty soon. So check this out, you guys, and let me know what you think. hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and share the video. The next couple of things that I have coming up will be for our Christmas snow villages. So I will finally be doing that video on the stairs and the bridge. I will also be putting together another Christmas quick tip video. I've received several more comments, so I'm compiling them all now, and I will be releasing that video shortly. And now that I'm done decorating the inside of my house, I will finally move to the outside. So I'll put together just a quick little video for you guys to show you what I do with my outdoor space. Thanksgiving is just a few days away, so I want to take a quick minute and wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. Even with all of the changes that are going on right now, I still hope that you all find the peace, love, and joy on Thanksgiving Day, and I hope it is a blessed one for you and your family. So as always, until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I hope to see you back really soon. Bye.